Good morning students. Students, today we will start our new lesson. Our lesson name is arithmetic progression. It is shortly called as AP. So before going to start our lesson, we discuss some basic points about this lesson and what is mean by arithmetic progression. So let's see these points. Students, I am writing here one number series 1, 2, 4, 7. So students, can you recognize next number? Yes, see. Here 1 and 2. Here difference between these two number is 1. Here means second number is increased by 1. Then 4 to 2. Here this 4 number is increased by 2. Means difference between these two number is 2. Here difference between these two number is 3. So next is difference between these two number is 4. Means the next number is increased by 4. Means 7 plus 4 we get 11. Then next number is obviously increased by 5. So 11 plus 5 we get 16. So here the numbers are arranged in a pattern. Means here numbers are arranged in a definite order. But there some definite rules are there. So see here. Here definite rule is what? First number is increased by 1, second number is increased by 2, third number increased by 3, fourth number increased by 4 and fifth number increased by 5th and next number is increased by 6, 7, so on. So here these are called as sequence. These are called as sequence. So sequence means what? Numbers are arranged in a definite order according to their definite rule. It's called sequence. So students, see next number series. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So students, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here difference between these two numbers is we get 1. Means next number is increased by 1. Here these two number is increased by 1. Next number is also increased by 1. Next number is also increased by 1. Here difference between each number is 1. Means difference is same. So these are called as progression. These are called as progression. So students, progression is also sequence. Progression is also sequence. But here the difference between two numbers, difference between two consecutive terms is same. It's called progression. It is sequence, but difference between two consecutive term is same. It's called progression. Students, always remember that all progressions are a sequence, but all sequence are not progression. I repeat it again. All progression are sequence, but all sequence are not progression. So student, this progression has three types. Progression has three types. First one is the arithmetic progression, means AP. Second one is the harmonic progression and third one is the geometric progression. So student, this year you studied only arithmetic progression. So let's see what is mean by arithmetic progression. So everyone understood what is mean by sequence and what is mean by progression. So let's see what is meant by arithmetic progression. So I am writing here number series 6, 12, 18, 24, 36 and so on. So this 6 number and 12 number, here the difference between these two number is 6. Here next term difference is same 6. Here also next term difference is 6. Here also 6. Means when we add all these numbers to the preceding term, we get next term. Means we get common constant number. These are called as arithmetic progression. These are called as arithmetic progression. It is shortly called as AP. AP. It is special kind of sequence. Students, this is also sequence. Here numbers are arranged in a definite order with their definite rule. This is also sequence, but relation between two number is always constant. It is special kind of sequence, but relation between two consecutive term is always constant. It's called arithmetic progression. I repeat it again. It is special kind of sequence, but relation between two consecutive term is always constant. So see next series. Suppose I am writing here 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So students, all these numbers are called as term. What? Term. All these numbers in number series are called as term. So first number is called as first term and it is denoted by T1. Second number is second term. It is denoted by T2. Third number is T3 term. Fourth number is T4 term. And here nth term. So this nth term is denoted by Tn. So this first term is also denoted by small a. First term is also denoted by small a. And the difference between two terms is called as common difference. Is called as common difference. And it is denoted by small d. Common difference is denoted by small d. So how to find out the difference between two terms? Always remember that subtract first term from second term. Means d is equal to, our formula is T2 minus T1. Then next is T3 minus T2. Next is T4 minus T3. Next is T5 minus T4. Students, remember all these formula because this formula is used for solving the examples. So next is how to find out the term. How to find out term. Means suppose first term is given. First term is, I told you, denoted by small a. And common difference is denoted by small d. So first term is given and common difference is given. Then how to find out the second term, next term. So T2 is equal to a plus d. This is formula. T2 is equal to, add first term and common difference. Next is T3. How to find out next T3 term? So T2 plus common difference. T2 is what? A plus d. Write down here a plus d and add this d. So our formula is a plus 2d. Next is T4 term. T4 means T3 plus d. T3 is what? A plus 2d. A plus 2d plus d means we get a plus 3d. T5, T4 plus d. T4 is what? A plus 3d. A plus 3d plus d means a plus 4d. Learn this formula. T1 is a, T2 is a plus d, T3 is a plus 2d, T4 is a plus 3d and T5 is a plus 4d. Learn all these formula, difference formula and term formula, and solve. Then we will see how to solve the examples using this formula. See the example. 3, then 3 plus root 2, then 3 plus 2 root 2 and 3 plus 3 root 2 dash dash dash. So students, see here find sequence are AP or not. So how to find out this? First, here write down first term. First term is A, means 3. Then this is first term, means T1 term. Then T2 term is 3 plus root 2. Then T3 term is 3 plus 2 root 2. And T4 term is 3 plus 3 root 2. Then find out the difference. D is equal to T2 minus T1. This is our formula. So T2 is 3 plus root 2 minus T1 is 3. So plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Our answer is root 2. Then next term, D is equal to T3 minus T2. T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus T2 is 3 plus root 2. So here plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Here change sign will be changed. So write down in bracket. So 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So plus 3 minus 3 cancel. 2 root 2 minus root 2 means we get root 2. Next is D is equal to T4 minus T3. T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus, here sign will be changed because here negative sign. So minus 3 minus 2 root 2. So plus 3 minus 3 cancel. 3 minus 2 root 2 means we get root 2. See here, difference is constant. Difference is constant. So this is a sequence of AP. Write down here, difference is constant. Difference is constant. So it is an AP. It is an AP. See next example. Second example. Here common first term is given and common difference is given. First term is 10 and common difference is 5. So how to find out here AP? So I told you term formula. When first term and difference is given, then how to find out the term? So T1 is equal to 10. Then T2 term. How to find out T2 term? What is the formula? T2 is equal to A plus D. Means T1 plus D. 10 plus 5 we get 15. Then T3 term. T3 is equal to A plus 2D. So A is 10 plus 2 into D is 5. So 10 plus 10 we get 20. Then T4 term. T4 is A plus 3D formula. So 10 plus 3 into 5, 10 plus 15, we get here 25. Then T5, A plus 4D. So 10 plus 4 into 5, 10 plus 20, we get here 30. See the difference? Here first term is 15. So write down here AP series. AP is 15. First term is 10. Then second term we get 15. Then third term 20. Fourth term 25. Fifth term 30 and so on. Here difference between each term is 5. So this is the AP series. I hope students, all of you understood today's session. Revise all these points once again. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.